Hello YouTubers. So I've got the boo-boo out on each side where she used the restroom. You can see different spots. I wish she would just, she's doing good, great job, but I wish she would just do it on like one side so that she won't be walking all over, you know what I'm saying, over here and might step in it or whatever the case is. But I got it all up. Then she got it like somewhere over there by her dog house. Like right there. She has some right there. So she's using it all over the place. So just letting this water out. In the house. In the house, Angel. So I'm gonna spray the bleach water. Get in the house. You know you got to sit in the house, butter. Till I get done cleaning your cage, your coop area. Okay. So got the bleach going. And I put it all over because, you know, they pee on there too. Even though the pee goes down the drain. Okay. Now, get in the house. Angel, get in the house. So now I'm going to spray this. Angel, get in the house. She love water, so she basically out here trying to get wet. In the house, Angel. In the house. In the house, Angel. So now she's clean. And this is Prince's dog house, coop or whatever. He boo-booed in the back. Maple, you didn't clean out his cage. It still got boo-boo in there, in his house. The keys? Yeah.